We have a new product that we're introducing to you today from Hamilton Cams, and honestly, this is something that, you know, we've seen different versions of this in the industry, and I really think that Hamilton has a home run on their hands with this. So addressing the trunnion and oiling issues in the 5.9 and 6.7 24 valve motor specifically. So I wanted to show you today basically what this is Hamilton has come out with a new and improved trunnion for your 24 valve engines. Now this is a DLC coated trunnion. I'm going to bring it over and let the camera see it. This is a DLC coated trunnion. It has increased oiling capabilities of it. It is a very, very nice unit. It's got the little Hamilton logo on the very end of it there. You can see it. Don't do good with the zoom in, but this is a really, really nice trunnion. All right, where does this come in play, Wade? So I went out in the shop and I grabbed just a trunnion that we had out of our horde. This is off of a 24 valve truck. It was a VP truck. You can see the galling that is here. Forgot my pen. Apologize. You can see the galling right there that is on that trunnion. That comes from lack of lubrication, oil quality, inferior products from the trunnions, from your stock trunnions. And how do you fix that? Well, if you have a light galling like that, what you can do on your rocker arms, you can go through and do a light hone on it, and then you can convert over to these coated trunnions from Hamilton, and these are very, very nice. So if you've got the truck down, if you're doing injectors or whatever it is, and you notice that on your stock trunnions, convert over to the Hamilton. You're not going to have that problem anymore. This is a better material. This is DLC coated, and it has increased oiling capabilities. So that is going to solve the problem that you have. I don't know what any of this means, but apparently you can buy t-shirts on YouTube now. So we're going to link you directly on here on YouTube in the video somewhere where you can go and you can purchase Thoroughbred Diesel swag. It'll be great. You don't have to leave your video or the YouTube realm or whatever in the hell goes on here. Go here, buy yourself some Thoroughbred Diesel swag. Now, Hamilton took it one step farther, and we all know that from the 03 and up trucks all the way to the current day, that the rockers have a plastic keeper right on the very end. Most of us here in the service side, we convert these over to the 24 valve, what we call the 24 valve rocker assemblies. That would be the rocker assemblies that came on the 98.5 to 2002 trucks, but Hamilton did it right on these as well. They offer these as a complete set, so if you've got an 03 to 2022 or current model truck that has the plastic keepers on the end of the rocker, convert to these rockers. This is a much, much better overall rocker assembly. You have the swedged ends on it. It doesn't have the plastic keeper, so you don't have to worry about taking it off, readjusting valves, changing out injectors, and the plastic keeper rotting, falling off, getting brittle, and then this end comes off, and then the rocker's junk. This is swedged. This was tried and proven in the 24 valve trucks. It comes with the upgraded Hamilton DLC coated trunnion in it. These have increased cooling, increased oiling capabilities as well. Come with the bolts, the new pedestals, and voila, there you go. Full set of them. Very, very nice. So if you pull your truck down and it's an 03 truck and you want to get rid of those plastic ends, you go to the full set from our friends at Hamilton. They come just like this, ready to drop in the truck. You adjust the valves and throw them in. But if you just got light galling on it and it's, let's say it's a 98.5 to 02 truck and you don't really need to replace the rockers, you can just do the upgraded trunnions. These are DLC coated, very, very nice. This is just a good upgrade overall. This makes a better truck for you, makes a more reliable truck. If you're in there and you're doing injectors or you're doing any other performance upgrades and you're on valve train, I definitely suggest it's very bare minimum to convert over to these trunnions. To do it right and have to make the truck worry free, convert over to these new rocker assemblies from Hamilton, and I promise you, you won't be sorry. If you have a question about any Hamilton products or any other products, just give us a call, like and subscribe to our channel, and we're going to link you inside of this video where you can purchase the trunnions by themselves or the full set of rockers from Hamilton. Thanks for watching.